Good morning and welcome to our very first ever GoSt.George.com video blog. I am your host, I guess. I'm Jeremy Larkin, and many of you who don't know me have been receiving email correspondence because you've accessed information through our Dixie Home Search or DixieHomeValue.com websites. Those who do know me, hi there and hi mom. Wanted to just really quickly launch off 2009 by getting virtually face-to-face with you, my friends, my family, clients, and many of you who will be future clients. And thank you for taking just a few minutes with us this morning. I want to talk about the opportunities that exist in 2009, as well as finish up with a real powerful, inspirational story that I think will be relevant to what a lot of us have been facing in 2008. 2008 is over, and I guess we want to send that one down the drain to the record books. Record foreclosures. We had building permits at 550 or 600 building permits, where in 2005 there was 3,500. There was lots of challenges, business closing, you know the list. And there's a lot of reasons for that, and I think we know most of them is that our economy was out of whack. Fundamentally, the real estate market was out of whack. Well, as we go through some pain, I guess it's like major surgery. We're going to have to make some changes and get back to a healthy market. The good news is that home values have fallen for buyers tremendously. For sellers, it creates another challenge. In 2009, I want to share some opportunities that we will be, some events that we'll be sharing with you. First is our foreclosure tours. Many of you saw us on the front page of the Spectrum, yay, in October, November, with our foreclosure tour. This is a process whereby we go and gather up 6 to 8 high opportunity properties, single family, condos, multifamily. We do some pre-analysis. We find the very best properties. These are kind of needle in a haystack, and we line them all up, and we take you out on a 3-hour tour, so to speak, of these in our foreclosure shuttle. It looks a little bit like an airport shuttle. We invite you to sign up. Registration started yesterday for our first tour, January 16th, 2 p.m. You can sign up and get more details at soutahforeclosuretour.com. That's www.soutahforeclosuretour.com. The other opportunity that we're going to share with you in 2009 is our Millionaire Real Estate Investor Seminars. If you haven't seen this book, Google it or run to Amazon and look at the Millionaire Real Estate Investor. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking for one, you better go someplace else. This is the nuts and bolts, long-term buy and hold investment strategy to building really massive wealth in picking up investment property. Lots of people can do it. Lots of us can do it if we choose to do so, and we're going to be doing so quarterly. So check back on our website for more information about that. Those are some of the opportunities for 2009. Some of the challenges continue to be falling prices for our seller clients. Many of our seller clients are in pre-foreclosure situation, and that's a different challenge. This fall in values has hurt them, and it doesn't help the fact that many of them are out of work or have had decreased pay, etc. I wanted to share on that note a real brief story with you as we launch into 2009. I want to leave you on a positive note. There's lots of bad news. I want to share with you a story by a fellow by the name of Max Hitchens, who is known as the hospitality doctor. He trains hotel owners, resort owners, restaurant owners on how to be successful even in down markets. This is a story that he shared in his youth in Australia. Years ago, because of the untimely death of our father, my brother and I as teenagers were pitched into running a heavily indebted hotel. Dad had borrowed heavily to buy the hotel, not expecting to die at age 52. And here we were deep in financial trouble. 3 weeks after Dad died, the bank manager, who looked like Alfred Hitchcock, called us into his office. Peering down over his glasses, he said, I think we're going to have to call your loan. You're too highly geared, or leveraged, as we say in the U.S. The only good thing about the conversation is that we had no idea what he was talking about. We had gears on our push bikes, but didn't know what this had to do with a bank loan. Well, it took us 10 years to trade out of the debt, but we did it. And we turned a $300,000 hotel property into a $1.2 million property. Our biggest lesson, and this is for all of us, was to ignore all the negative comments, believe in ourselves, and work like crazy. With so much negative media around at the moment, you and I, as he says here, might want to remember this story throughout 2009. As a student of history, I've learned that there has always been a group of people who have been successful in the toughest of times. Years ago, I decided I wanted to be in that group. We will talk again soon, Max. And for all of you who are out there on the line today, I made that same decision in 2009. I want to be in and am committed to be successful in 2009. If we can help you, your friends, family, clients, whether it's buy a really great foreclosure deal or avoid foreclosure, through a loan modification or a pre-foreclosure sale. Whatever it is, we're here to do it. Please see us at www.gostgeorge.com. Check in updates for updates weekly, and next week we're going to talk about timing the market for all you buyers and investors out there. Until then, have a great week and a great 2009. Thanks.